To fix this issue, you can disable mobile devices and phone link from startup. Now for this, you can open Windows settings, go to apps and go to startup over here. And then over here, scroll down, find mobile devices. If this is on, you can turn this off. Also phone link, if this is on, you can turn this off and then restart PC and then check. If you don't find the startup option over here in apps, in that case, you can make directly the start menu, go to task manager and then go to startup option. Here you can see startup apps, click on it and over here scroll down and over here you can see mobile devices. Make sure this is disabled. If not, if this is enabled, make a right click and then you will see a disable option. In my case, it is already disabled, so make a right click and then disable it. Also find phone link in the list. If you find phone link over here somewhere, yeah, phone link, you can again make a right click. If you see disable option, disable it. In my case, it is already disabled. Disable it, restart your PC and then check. Next step is to run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. So type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Once done, copy the second command, paste it, hit the enter key. Now run the last command, paste it, hit the enter key. Now restart your PC. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working, perform clean boot. To perform clean boot, type in system configuration in Windows search box. Click on system configuration, go to the services tab, and then put a check on the box which says hide all Microsoft services. Make sure you put a check over here first and then click on disable all, hit apply, click on OK. You will see a restart option, restart your PC and then check. Still not working, you can uninstall the update and then restart your computer. So you can go to Windows Update and then update history. Scroll down, here you can see uninstall update. You can uninstall the update which you think might be responsible. So you can uninstall it. Uninstalling Windows Update is not recommended. Uninstalling updates may put your PC at risk. So if you agree, you can uninstall it. And after the uninstall, you have to restart your PC. After the system restart, you can go to Windows Update and then you can put a check on the box which says you can turn this option which says get the latest update as soon as they are available. So if this is on, turn it off to stop the automatic update. You can even pause the update. You can pause the update for maybe 1 week or 2 weeks. And to stop the automatic update, you can pause the update and then you can check. In future, whenever you want to install updates, to install future updates, you can always click on resume updates. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to fix the problem. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.